This video will guide you through a lesson on HOLcloud. The lessons can be accessed through the notebook navigation icon. Click on the lesson to expand it and click on Exploration. Our lessons are made up of 3 sections. Exploration provides background information. Experimentation includes the hands-on portion of our lab. The evaluation section is where students go to submit their final report. Premium courses will include assessments in the exploration and evaluation sections. You can customize pages within a lesson except for the overview pages, the review your answers pages if you have premium, and the materials page. Use the drop-down menu for the exploration and experimentation to quickly navigate to the page you would like to customize. You can add your own text, images, and video any place there is a break within the HOL content. Look for the blue line as you drag your cursor down the page. Click the comment bubble and choose what you would like to add. Within the text option, you can build equations, add hyperlinks, or just add some text. You can format the text as needed. Please note that to build equations, you will use LaTeX to write code. Be sure and click Save. To add an image, click the image icon. You will browse to the location of the image you want to insert. You can resize the image, add a caption, alternative text to maintain ADA compliance, and copyright information. Click Save. To add a video, click the video icon. You will browse to the location of the video to upload it to the page. You can add a title, a description, and copyright information. To maintain ADA compliance, add your own VTT file. Click Save. Toggle to the student view to see how the added content will appear to students. Toggle back to instructor view to edit the content you just added. Add additional content or delete the content. To delete content, click the comment bubble to edit the content you added. Then, click the X to remove it. Information included in this video, as well as step-by-step instructions, can be found in our HOLcloud user guide for instructors. Please contact us to receive your copy. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us. Our contact information will always be on top of the page for you and your students. Thank you for choosing Hands-On Labs.